Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an essential topic for all freelancers out there: 20 free AI tools you need to know in 2024. From productivity boosters to creative enhancers, these tools will revolutionize the way you work. So, let's get started. Grammarly, your writing assistant. First on our list is Grammarly. This AI-powered writing assistant helps you catch grammatical errors, enhance your vocabulary, and even check for plagiarism. Perfect for freelancers who write a lot of content. Hemingway Editor, simplify your writing. Next, we have Hemingway Editor. It improves the readability of your text by highlighting complex sentences and suggesting simpler alternatives. Great for making your writing more engaging. ChatGPT, your AI assistant. Of course, we can't forget ChatGPT. This conversational AI can assist you with brainstorming ideas, drafting emails, and even coding tasks. It's like having a personal assistant available 24/7. DALL-E 2 AI Image Creation. DALL-E 2 is a remarkable AI tool for creating unique images from text descriptions. Ideal for freelancers in the creative industry who need custom visuals for their projects. Canva Easy Graphic Design. Canva's AI-powered features help you design stunning graphics effortlessly. From social media posts to presentations, Canva makes design accessible for everyone. Copy.ai Fast Content Creation. Copy.ai generates marketing copy, social media content, and more in seconds. It's a time saver for freelance marketers and writers who need to produce high-quality content quickly. Lumen 5 Text to Video. Lumen 5 transforms text content into engaging videos. If you're a freelancer looking to expand into video content, this tool is a must-have. Descript Simplified Media Editing. Descript offers audio and video editing with transcription capabilities. Edit your media as easily as editing a document, making it perfect for podcasters and video editors. Otter.ai Real-Time Transcription. Otter.ai provides real-time transcription services. Record and transcribe meetings, interviews, and lectures with ease. A valuable tool for freelance journalists and researchers. Trello Smart Project Management. Trello uses AI to enhance project management with customizable boards, lists, and cards. It's perfect for freelancers managing multiple projects simultaneously. Notion All-in-One Workspace. Notion combines notes, tasks, databases, and calendars in one place, powered by AI to enhance your productivity. It's a versatile tool for organizing your freelance work. Rescue Time Management Insights. Rescue Time tracks your activities and provides insights to help you manage your time better. A must for freelancers who want to boost their productivity. Figma Collaborative Design. Figma's AI tools make collaborative design seamless. Whether you're working on UI/UX or graphic design, Figma has you covered. Inkscape Vector Graphic Design. Inkscape is a powerful vector graphic editor with AI enhancements for easier design. Perfect for freelance illustrators and graphic designers. GIMP Advanced Image Editing. GIMP is a free image editor with AI-powered features similar to Photoshop. A great alternative for freelancers who need advanced image editing capabilities. Audacity Audio Editing Made Easy. Audacity is an open-source audio editor with AI tools for noise reduction and audio effects. Ideal for freelance podcasters and musicians. Bitwarden Secure Password Management. Bitwarden is a free password manager that uses AI to enhance security. Essential for freelancers who need to manage multiple accounts securely. LastPass Easy Password Management. LastPass offers AI-driven password management and autofill features. Another great option for keeping your digital life secure. LibreOffice Free Office Suite. LibreOffice includes AI features for writing and spreadsheets. A powerful, free alternative to Microsoft Office for freelancers. Conclusion. There you have it, 50 free AI tools that every freelancer needs to know in 2024. Incorporating these tools into your workflow can save you time, enhance your creativity, and boost your productivity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.